course, some of these players already play for school-based teams, no? Pero a lot of these players, ito rin yung platform nila para makilala sila.
Yes, totoo yan. Especially itong Kianzel team. So,
Yung foundations na nakuha niya
yes.
doon sa ano. Ayun. At yun, first basket para dito sa Kianzel, care of the lefty, Earl Ceniza.
Yes, pero kanina itong players, including the defensive players, ando na eh.
Ayun, pero ito ngayon si Buckley. That was a good shot. Pumasok eh.
So, yes, itong nakita natin kung hanggang saan ka. Bibigay ka ba o lalaban ka?
Oo. Dito rin susubukan din tong dalawang teams natin as Buckley gives it over to Yambao for 3. Yes!
And of course, that was a late closeout for the Fluid team.
Pero
And another penetration from the Fluid team. Focus nila nawala sa depensa.
Yun. Kaya naisahan din sila dun ng Fluid. So ito ngayon si Ramirez.
So ito ngayon, titingnan natin. Another broken play.
Pero
It works. It works for this team. No need to set up.
The score is 8-7 lamang ng isa. Itong Kianzel. We will be back. Di rin pumasok ang kanyang tira.
Sayang opportunity ngayon. Nakuha na nila yung offensive rebound.
Ito ulit tumatakbo pa rin talaga.
That's a good pass.
Ang ganda ng pasa.
Good pass, good cut, perfect timing.
Oo. Ganda ng ginawa doon ni De La Cruz doon sa pass dito kay Rino.
Pero actually, that was a dangerous pass. May
nga eh.
tao sa harap. Buti na lang mabilis.
At ulit, Velason going up and in. And that is an end one play.
Grabe, kita mo naman, meron ng height advantage yung dumipensa sa kanya. Pero he uses his body, his speed. Ayan, oh. Kita mo.
Tingnan natin to.
Ginamit yung katawan, eh, oh.
Yun. Na-negate yung height advantage.
Mabilis din yung rotation ng players nitong Kianzel. That was a good anticipation.
Itong si Buckley was the best player nung kanilang panalo kahapon.
Pwede na kayo mag-relax sa depensa.
Oo, pwede nyo i-relax ng konti. Lalo ngayong medyo -1 na sila ng key players, no? Na yun na nga, si Ceniza earlier got injured.
That's the problem naman if you're always
Kung ano yung ihahatid mo ngayon dun sa school.
doon mo mapapractice yung mga isolation. Oh, that's a good pass.
Nice alley-oop pass mula dito kay Buckley.
Yung effort ng mga guardia.
They got 4 seconds here and that is an end one play. Monterroso, siya yung nakamintis kanina pero nakuha niya ulit. At ito ngayon si Reed Buckley going inside.
Ooh.
Beautiful move.
Grabe, siya yung best player last.
Yung ito, tingnan natin. Oh, wala. Ayun, yung replay na kanina.
Ayun,
Ni Buckley, iniwasan niya na lang talaga yung mga ulit ng jump ball. Halos doon sa same position ng dalawang jump ball calls kanina sa first quarter. Underneath!
Another good pass.
Pero nagmintis ng ang tira nitong si Golyoso.
Grabe yung depensa pa rin, ano. Yung effort nitong mga guards.
And there you go. Itong si Monterroso starting to hit. Yung plano dito as itong si Kamay checks back into the ball. And let's we take another look.
Iyon, no?
Jumper off the bank. Parang yung mga... And ito yung si Ramirez drops it off. Good pass to Guevara.
Yes, a late recovery from Guloso. At ito naman,
Another
sila
steal.
naman ang nakakuha. Nakaagaw. At ganun din, sila na yung nagtatrap ngayon.
Trap din sila.
Itong Fluid, nakalusot lang.
Nakalusot lang itong si Cruz. Gives it up. Kamay hangs in the air and makes that basket.
Speaking of aerial voyager, yung mga Captain Marvel na ganun.
De La Cruz. Buckley as that ball is tipped from behind. Ito ngayon si Rino all the way. No good. Rebound by Guevara going up and in. Plus the harm.
That's a good trail coming from Guevara. No?
And ito na nga si, yun, tignan natin ulit yun. Ang ganda ng rebound. Just took it away from Yambao and goes back up and picks up that foul. And yun, it's
Oo, itong game na to, no?
Kamay.
Yes,
Up and
everyone is getting their points from the inside. Yan ang magiging basehan natin mamaya. Points in the paint at yung turnover.
Yun, another turnover para dito sa Louis. Das Baklig gives it up. Yambao will try a three. Yes!
So ngayon magkakaroon na naman ng change of plan ng defense
Oh.
for Louis.
As Ramirez goes all the way for the lay-in. Hindi
Wala. Grabe kakatibay itong mga batang to. Oh, speaking of tibay.
Tibay, grabe.
Grabe, hindi pa napapagod. Akala ko may pagod. Basket. Easy transition na play.
Kaso nga lang pangatlo na yun ni Kamay. The foul. Gives it over to De La Cruz, free from three, but what decides to go
oo.
inside?
Why not?
Oo. Parang medyo semi-Pinoy step yun.
2 games into this league, the Luit Kapampangan Atlas Plus is still building their chemistry according to Coach Reynel Cabrera. Coming from their loss, they were able to practice yesterday and preparation for a comeback.
Batuta na lang kulang
Oo nga, yun na lang.
Puro gwardiya eh. Oh!
Ooh, nice three mula dito kay Reed Baklik.
So sino yung naging best player last game? Adjustment, naging play nitong cancel. Ngayon naman meron ang taas ng percentage nila sa 3 points.
Dalawa na yung second free throw. Lamang na ng 14. Hindi na natin napansin. 14 na.
Yeah, ang
lamang
bilis nga.
nitong
Kanina 7 lang eh.
Oo eh.
Oh,
As another basket, itong si Reed Baklik just sails.
grabe to si Bakli. Nakita mo for yung height niya, hindi siya ganun kalaki. Pero ang tagal.
To go dito sa ating second quarter. We will be back. And ito, and speaking of Guevara, goes inside with
Oh.
another and one
On
play.
cue naman.
Oo. Ian Guevara breakout game dito. Penalty na. So dalawang free throw na yan. At as we take a look at this, parang na ano na eh. Yun. Good words of wisdom mula dito sa ating
Yes.
Tower of Power on how to do your rim protection. And a bad pass.
Yun ang kailangan yung malakas na block. O pag nilakasan mo yung block mo, ano mangyayari? Maka-out yung bola.
Oo.
Kanila pa rin.
Oo.
Pero if simple yung block mo, yes. Hindi lang yung highlight, pero to warn your opponent na mapapahiya ka.
As inside.
Same
at
play.
the basket.
Same play yung
drop off
nakikita
ulit.
natin kanina. That's the kind of play that Cancel are doing. Pero this time naman,
We will be back.
what you want is kahit papano is to bring down the lead to a single digit.
As Baklig once again
Grabe.
drives to the basket and makes that shot. He already has 20 points.
Kanina puro sa kaliwa eh. Ngayon naman sa kanan. Nabantayan eh.
Oo eh. Yeah, and then that's a mark of a good point
Yeah.
guard. Diretso ngayon dito. That was Golyoso pero hindi pumasok yung kanyang
Oh,
layup.
pero ang ganda sana
Ganda
ng
sana.
crossover na yun. Ano?
And eto, natawid na nila yung bola. Rino attacks the defense and he will get the and one opportunity.
Oh, so Kamay is 4 already.
4 fouls na dito kay Kamay. Yun. And Rino. Parang nung nakita niya si Kamay, alam mo
Oo,
for number 22. Last shot here. And that's Ramirez with the getaway layup. And so at the end of the first half, lamang ng 14, itong Kianzel over Luid Kapampangan. Let's take a look at that last play. Yan, breakaway. Naiwanan itong si Ramirez. And Benji and I will be back to bring you the second half. This is the Pilipinas Super League. Ito ang liga ko.
Ito may sinenya si Coach Mark na play. So let's see.
Yan, balik. Dito kay Baklig, screen.
Sa
Pero
high pick
atake.
and roll.
Kick out to
Okay.
Yambao for 3. Yes!
So ito yung adjustment na ginawa ng Cancel na they started.
Shoot. Backlig. Misses on that spin and shoot. Ito ngayon si Pelason.
Oh,
Ganda ng kanyang tira.
kanina si Backlig, turnaround jumper hindi pumasok. Pero
Ayan, at medyo may sineset up ulit dito. But Cruz attacking the basket. Yes!
ayun na naman. Another inside point, another penetration for Cancel.
Back, swing it over to Yambao for 3. It's off to the left. Rebound, napunta kay Liwanag. Pushes it up. Ramirez is all alone and makes the basket. Gives it up to his big man. And that's Bentulan, but Bentulan couldn't hold on to the ball and they lose it finally. Liwanag gets his first 2 points of the ball game.
Ito,
Ngayon, ito yung tanong dito, Benji. Kaninang first half, gumagana yung isolation plays ninyo. It got you a big lead. Pero ngayong nagsiset play kayo, medyo na...
to score from the outside which worked a while ago. Pero ayun naman, same play for both teams.
Naiiwanan yung tinatawag for the personal foul there.
Ito ulit, trapping defense. Pero nakalusot na naman.
Underneath is Rino. Hindi pang lumabas. So,
Ito yung kailangan magkaroon ng adjustment. Yung Cancel dito na kulang sila sa safety.
at the corner, Yambao. He is waxing hot from the
Grabe,
corner.
no? Galing sa Mintis. Pero, ang sinasabi niya, bigyan niyo pa rin sa akin yung bola.
That is the mark of a true shooter, you know?
Oo, eh. Kahit mag-mintis ako, open ako, I'll still take that shot.
And ito nga si Yambao already has, I believe he has
Oh.
15 points. Yun, si Golyoso naman, sali din naman siya.
Sumali na, no? Nakisali na sa...
Foul is called on Rino. And palit ulit. Lalabas dito to recover his game na hindi gumagana kanina ng
Oh.
first half. Napaganda pa.
Napaganda pa. Tatapik yung bola pero napunta kay Veloso.
Oo.
For the team of Fluid Kapampangan, it was Rino and Ramirez for doing the damages.
3-point try.
Grabe, that was a good defense already.
Dalawa na itong si Golyoso sa 3.
Ayan, no? May bantay. May bantay. May bantay.
At hindi lang basta-basta. The floor is Oliero. He's holding on to his right foot. As Yambao misses on the 3, pero rebound by Kamay and put back. And Oliero writhing in pain on the floor. At gusto niya pang maglaro. Ito na yung sinabi nila.
So, sabihin niya, oo, yung spirit,
Oo.
saka
sabi
yung stage nung pagka-sprain.
Oo, sabi niyo. Yun. So manageable pa yung pain niya.
Yes. So, good news. Good news.
As Ramirez will try a 3 and that is the first, no, that's the second pa lang nitong fourth quarter. Rino, jab step, balik kay Liwanag for 3. Yes!
Ito na yung sinasabi mo, kaninang third quarter, kaya pinabayaan siya ni coach. You want to cut the lead.
Ramirez
Oh.
with that acrobatic move, cutting this lead down to 9. 68 to 77.
Naibaba na sa single-digit point.
Oh.
They wanted to do that during the third, pero naka-adjust itong Cancel. Pero this is their opportunity. And
He's got 5 seconds to go. No good on that shot. And another rebound from Guevara. Pushing it up. Nauna dun sa kabila. De La Cruz.
Oh, naku.
Sayang yung tira. One more time. And finally, on the third try.
tinaasan lang niya yung stats niya.
Libre si Guevara. Fakes the 3. Goes inside. And makes the
Ooh.
basket. Ganda ng tira na yon.
Grabe pa rin. Give
Yeah.
3 points na lang ang hinahabol ng Luid.
Yambao goes for 3. Sabi niya, doblehin natin yan.
Yan ang tinatawag na pamatay sunog.
Oo. Sa loob. Ramirez up. He misses. Backlig. He's got the numbers. Backlig over to Cruz. Yes!
Perfect pass from Backlig.
And 5 seconds. Ramirez attacks. Drops it downstairs. And that's
Again.
Guevara with a reverse layup.
Grabe yung effort
Liwanag takes the 3. Gives it up. Guevara. Atake. Drop off. Doon sa
Oh.
ilalim. Ang ganda kay Rino.
He's been doing everything, getting the rebounds, getting the points, and giving assists.
And it is now just a 4-point lead para dito sa Kianzel as Yambao goes for 3. Again, yung sinasabi mong pamatay sunog. Yambao with another triple. Ang galing. Minsan, yun at yun na lang talaga
Yun na
ang
lang
nasasabi natin.
Hindi mo na ma-explain eh.
Oo. Ramirez sasagot, hindi pumasok ang 3. Rebound goes to Guevara. Open in. So, 9 seconds on the shot side. That's De La Cruz, no good. Rebound goes to Kianzel. Here's this is
Oh, that was a
Monterroso.
difficult shot.
Oo. Here's Ramirez gets the end one. And foul will be called on steal and 1 block. 1 minute and 16 seconds to go dito sa ating laban. Baklig. He goes inside.
A
and
common play.
Oo.
We've been seeing during
Points yun ni Reed Baklig dito sa second half. Ramirez gives it up to Guevara. He has been the man. Drops it down low to Rino.
walang nagro-rotate.
Siyang isang pamatay sunog dito. Baklig, 7 seconds. Gives it up. Julioso for the shot and clutch basket.
Grabe, no? Itong mga sinabi ko nga, they're all relying on their guards to score in this fourth quarter with the absence of Kamay.
So it's yun, that shot from Colioso was clutch from the elbow, and now they are up by 6 points, 91 to 85 with 29 seconds to go in the fourth quarter.
And will be
One more. Yambao is fouled. Time expires. And so at the end of the ball game, it is 91 to 87.
Teka muna, may trend na dumaan. Ano ba yun?
May trend na
May
dumaan
trend.
dito.
Tagal
Oo. Etong Luwid Kapampangan made it an interesting ball game dito sa fourth quarter, pero kinapos lang talaga sila.
Yes, a good effort. Especially this guy.
Guevara.
Guevara.
Si Guevara, Ian Guevara with a breakout game. He finishes with 21 points, 6 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal, and 2 blocks.
Yes.
But it was the bombero ng Kianzel, si Yambao, who helped to stave
Grabe.
off itong Luwid Kapampangan.
7 3-point basket.
Oo. And yun na nga, ito, yung pamatay sunog ng Kianzel na si Yambao. And of course, hindi natin to patatagalin pa. He is the best player of this ball game. And so nanalo sila 91 to 87. And the best player of this ball game is none other than itong si JC Yambao, finishing with 21 points and 3 rebounds. All of those points coming from the outside.